Hey, it's Design Guy here. Want to know how to brighten and fix teeth in Canva? I'll show you step by step. Click Create, then select Custom Size. For this tutorial, choose the TX option. Next, go to Elements and search for tip photos or brown tip photos. Let's use this image and try to duplicate this OD on our keyboard. Go to Edit, then select Filters to compare these images side by side. Click the On button, scroll down to find image 8. The page will appear white with this image displayed. Add another page to the document now. Try copying the file. You can edit this in other ways. Click Edit to modify this area. You can use jobs. Click the title to edit and enter the new text. You can also adjust the setting as needed for your project. This completes the test. Thank you. This also works better for editing or creating a link to the page. Use this filter here to select the desired option. Use Filter or Adjust to modify the image. Open the Tools menu now. This will work much better now. Click Share, then download to save your file. Set the size to maximum for the best quality if you have a Canva Premium account. Select both pages of the image before clicking the download button. Now you know how to perfect your smile with Canva teeth edits. Like and subscribe for more easy design tips.